So the scrapping adventure continues, and stay tuned as we turn this into this. Almost exactly a pound of copper, 6-7 pounds of steel, some copper wire, some wire crimps, one nice chunk of aluminum, a couple of nice pull switches. I think those will sell on eBay. The capacitor for the motor, those usually sell. A multi-step switch, and then a few light fixtures that I'm actually going to save for another project. This is the only part of it I don't know what to do with, because it's about half aluminum and half steel, so I'm not sure how to separate those two yet. I might have to just melt off the aluminum, we'll see. But, one ceiling fan.